Got the tank and the seat off again, and the tools out. And we have a clutch cable that works. And we have throttle cables. And passenger rear left side peg showed up. And oh, I guess I gotta turn on the flash thingy. Come on, phone. Phone doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. Banjo bolt showed up. So we got that sorted out, and I just actually got done buttoning all this back up. But I pulled the oil panel out, cleaned everything off, resealed it, found a bolt that I was missing. That guy, well, that guy right there. And got them all sunk in and got the oil pan installed. And we gotta wait for it to cure. Since I used sealant, I used Permatex Ultra Gray. Just a little bit, just enough for it to seal temporarily, so I can test the motor and make sure that everything fires up and runs okay. And now I'm biting my freaking teeth or fingernails with my teeth, or however that dang saying goes. I'm not good with words. Chomping at the bit. Yeah, that's the one. To fire this thing up for the first time, but I gotta wait on this stupid sealant to cure. And that's all I'm waiting on at this point, to be able to actually start trying to fire it up. Fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. You'll catch that reference. So we are right freaking there. As soon as that finishes curing, I got to give it like 8 hours to be really cured on the inside. I don't get pieces, coming off wet and gumming up stuff that we don't want getting gummed up with Permatex Ultra Gray. I can drop oil in it and start spinning it over, prime everything up, and give her some gas, put fire to it, see what happens. Hopefully we will have a living machine here very, very soon. Y'all stay tuned.